Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. In this video today, we're going to take a look at my journey with action cameras. Now, many of you guys know that I'm a professional photographer, content creator. I do a lot of live streaming, and I have used a variety of different action cameras as a part of the cameras that I use in my workflow. This is the Pocket 3. This is the Extra Edge Pro. I have a number of GoPros and other DJI devices as well, not counting other webcams that I use, like from brands like Osmo and so on. So with all of that said, I have been on a journey, guys. I have been on a quest to find a very good camera that I can depend on when it comes to some of my client work, my personal projects, or whatever the case it may be. Now, these cameras have gotten very, very close. I can honestly tell you that, to be sure. So if you are looking at one of those previous cameras that I mentioned, you're going to be in good company. Now, just recently, this camera was sent out to me to take a look at. Now, this camera was not sent to me by DJI. This is not a sponsored DJI video. This camera was actually provided to me by one of my brand reps that wanted me to do some videos on some of their accessories for this camera and other action cameras. So in this video, guys, we're going to take this camera to the back desk. We're going to unbox it. We're going to see exactly what comes in the box. And I will show you guys in upcoming videos all of the different accessories that I mentioned before, how I'll use them with this specific camera, and also how I'll use this when I'm riding my motorcycle, when I'm going to range day, or when I'm just doing all of the normal things I normally do here on this channel, including my cooking streams. This, I think, is going to be an excellent camera. And one of the things that I'm most excited about is open gate. Now, you guys know, hey, if you know, you know. If you don't know, I will fill you in later. But until then, let's get back here. Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Let's go. All right, guys, we're back at the back desk. So this is the DJI Action 6 Essential Combo. So this is going to come with the very bare bone basic accessories. I don't think I'm going to need any of the other accessories that would have come with the, larger combo, because of all the accessories I mentioned before that were sent out to me. Now, most of you guys already know quite a bit about this camera. You know a lot of the features that are advertised for it, meaning that it has a 1/1.1 inch sensor. It has a variable aperture. It also has up to 4 hours of record time, with one battery. So let's take a look at what comes in the box for the Action 6 from DJI. All right, as you guys can see here, we have this little tab. I'm just going to pull that tab in order to open the box, just like so. And at that point, we're able to open the side panel, and that's going to reveal pretty much what's inside of the box. Now, we can already see the camera is right here, so let's go ahead and pull out this little section here first. So this is going to be our starter manual and also some stickers. You guys can check that out if you're into that type of stuff. Inside of this box here, we have some additional accessories. So let's take a look at those quickly. So here is a thumb screw. We also receive, what do we have here? I think this is our battery. So it comes with one battery in this bundle. We also receive this magnetic mount. We will be taking a look at that as well. And we receive our USB-C to USB-C cable. It is very rubberized. It feels really nice in the hand. I've handled enough of these cables to know a good one from a bad one. This is, or feels to be, a good cable. All right, so let's take a look at the camera itself. All right, very well packaged, as with all DJI products. Let's go ahead and pop this guy open. All right, guys, there it is, the Action 6. Now, what's nice about this, the doors have been updated. So now there's a press forward and push up to open the door. Get that little thing out of there. So this still has the weatherproofing. This is going to be great underwater. You have a slot right here for your SD card and also for the battery under this door here, which is really nice. Make sure when closing this door, you see no red. Everything is completely closed. Underneath, we still have our magnetic connections, but now this is dual, so it will connect in either direction, which is really nice to see. On this side, this is our USB-C, basically the same thing. You're going to push forward, pull down, and then you have access to the USB-C underneath here as well, which is really nice. Okay, so what else do we have? So we have a microphone up here. We have our select and also record button here at the top. We have our power button on this side, and we also have this button also will double as your selection button. On the front here is the lens cover. So what's nice about this new version of the Action series cameras from DJI is that now this one has an f-stop of 2.0 all the way to 4.0. So that's going to be really good in low light. Hopefully we'll test that as time goes on. This lens is removable, so you can just screw that guy off. Now you do have a white balance sensor right here as well. I like this blacked out look. Not saying that I had a problem with the red that was on some of the previous models, because I really didn't, but it does look very sleek, you know, as far as this goes. So if I had this paired on one of my cameras and I was on location, I think this would look just like it was a part of the camera. People probably wouldn't even notice this was mounted on it. So that's really nice as well. But I really wanted you to see what this camera looks like, taking it out of the box, all the different accessories that come with it. So I think most of you guys have seen enough videos already, you know, people that have been talking about this camera for maybe the last almost month now. So going forward, we will be looking at a lot of different accessories that are available for this camera. That was going to be my main focus, and that's what I'm going to provide to you guys. A lot of these accessories, the new ones, were sent to me, but I have a ton of other accessories that I also think will work with this camera, and I will be showing you guys those in upcoming videos as well. All right, guys, it's your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. If you guys have any questions whatsoever about this camera or any of the other devices you guys have seen me create videos on, feel free to leave that down in the comments, and I will do my best to answer those questions as soon as I see them. But until then, my babies, y'all stay safe out there. Peace. I'm out.